Yeah.
We're rolling. You hating? Okay, let's go. This is our second video. You know, I like cheeseburgers. I like comedy. You see this dirt? I have a front wheel now again. I lost it in my life. Oh, look at the pumpkin. There's a lot of grass. Going down that big hill we mentioned in the last video. Crap. No. Yeah, it's sort of. Look, that's a mailbox. Stop these people. Family, please. Okay. Go, Josh. I know. I'm not doing this stuff. Let's say how we're gonna show you a creek. capture on video. We're standing on a pipe here that goes into the creek, and there's actually fish in here that we fish at. It's kind of foggy. Yeah, it's pretty foggy here. I got the little picture right here. Hey guys, this is our creek I'm standing in right now. We might take videos of us fishing in it. Yeah, to let you know. There is fish in here, and this isn't even our property. This is way far away. From half a mile away. Came here pretty fast. Pretty much downhill. But there's like snake holes in here. And Josh here. There's snake holes in here and everything. There's some big groundhog holes. Once we caught a fish and we put it in there. Yeah, we hooked it by the eye. Oh yes. Dude, it's hole. Found another hole. Another hole. Okay, here, let's go on the other side. I'm not risking that. Let me try it. Josh, we're not risking that. Oh, dude, you just been there. Is there fish? Any fish? Oh, there's some. Dang, there's some bad. There's algae in there and everything. No, I don't see any fish right now. Let me see if there's comes in. No, not right now. Here, let's go to the other side and see if we can see any fish. Yeah, we're gonna go to the other side, guys. There's crayfish in here. We swam in 7 minutes. Yeah. We swam in here and there was stupid idea. Yeah. Stupid about so bad. There's crayfish in here. Yeah, we found it earlier. There's broken glass in here. Okay. What are we gonna call this to our cousins? This video. Luke and Josh vlogs. His family property, but we know the guys too. So, is that ice? No. No, that's not ice. No. That's just fun. That's not talking. Fish in here, and we actually took it home. We had it for a pet. Yeah, and Bailey pulled its guts out. Yeah, our sister, the stupid, she pulled its guts out. We had it for about a day. We're gonna walk up that hill. Oh, damn it, go cart up there. Where if that car was here. Oh my god. Well, yeah. Hey, there's a limit. Let me get it. Oh wait, I think it's on. Bread left from when we were here? No, dude, we were here like last year. Yeah. No, we were here in the winter. Yeah, winter. Dude, what is that? Catch fish. Freezing cold. You get hypothermia on here, guys. No joke. I went up on that log right there. I'll zoom on it. It takes me a minute with this waterproof case. I hit the So, zoom in over there. Coming over here, there's usually tons of fish over in there. See anything there? Maybe someplace in there, maybe. I don't know, but I gotta zoom back out. It's a little fog here because the sun's not out. Yeah, might be fish in here. Highly doubt it. We're gonna get back on our bikes, start going up. Okay, hope you like this, guys. All for you, bro. All correct. Keep up with our summer like you're here. This is the weird umbrella thing. There's another one there on. Another one there on. Oh, hold it up to the camera. Alright. We saw him. We didn't know You're right, bud. He's creepy. He's creepy. Yeah, she always calls me Josh. Me, Luke. Okay, let's go. Dude, can't see her real well. Come back here. Oh God, it's starting to rain. Gotta get this waterproof case on. It's starting to rain. Gotta put you on my bike. Josh, you got the other thingy? Yeah, I got it. Here, gotta keep this in. Dude, it's starting to rain. Sorry, you might get this for quality here now. Oh, dude, it's snowing. It's hailing. No. Dude, this is snow. It's hail, Josh. It's hail. It's hail, dude. It's hailing. hurts your neck.
I got
Dude,
you.
it's hail.
Hail. It is
Hail. We
hailing.
gotta get home, Josh.
Let's go swimming.
Fastest way home.
Okay, let's go.
Here, put it on. Let's go walk this hill. Come on. Okay, let's walk up this hill. Give me. Here's the clip. Okay, dude, it is hailing right now. Camera might get on the road. Camera might get a little bit wet, so you might see a little water droplets. So bear with us. John, bear with us. It was storming at his house earlier. Hailstorm coming our way. Freezing. Dude, our parents are probably wondering where we are. We gotta get home. Gotta get home, guys. Hey, here's a little hailstorm. So yeah, let's go. Footage. Let's go.
Okay, here's one.
Yeah, me too, bro. Walk up this hill. Walk it.
Run.
No, I'm not running.
It's like haily rain.
Yeah, haily rain, haily snow, hail, snow, rain, all
mixed.
of your bus.
Hopefully you guys can hear us right now.
So glad we brought this waterproof case. Saved our life.
We didn't even have to bring it,
But I would have had the end of the video here.
Yeah. Put it in our pocket or something, take it home. But, yeah. When we get home,
We're going up to our friend's house, walking through the woods. Today we make a quad trail.
we have
let's
cars
stop and
ride them around and stuff.
Yeah, I put it,
Now
handlebar,
it's like rain now. It's getting lighter.
put it on our quad, show you our trail.
We
See
can
that?
go like 40, 50
Yeah,
miles
John.
an hour on our quad.
We'll go real fast for you, John. Vlog for John. LJ vlogs for John.
And we made our own little park in our backyard called Chili Pad Park, because that's our last name.
And there's just like, you climb sticks, you can climb,
You can
ride your quad in a circle.
Pretty fun. Race course in it.
Yeah.
You put it all out in the woods.
Climb this death tree that.
What is it?
Bring it here. Show the camera. I can't zoom in.
I don't know what it is. Do you guys know anything? Tell me what you think it is. I don't have a clue.
Yeah, John, tell us what it is.
Weird.
Bark. To a weird tree.
It's a weird bark. Weird bark.
Bark.
So, we need to get moving.
Yeah, we gotta get moving. Sorry, guys. Pretty long video. With John, it's pretty long. Sorry. We're probably not gonna watch it.
If you're still watching now,
It's gonna get fun. We're going down some hills.
it's gonna get more good. We're gonna do like explore the woods sometime.
Our next vlog, our next video might be on Bailey's bike, John. Might not be great. Wait, what battery do we got? We got 2 bars. 2 out of 3. Battery lasts pretty long. Charges for like 10 minutes. Last few hours. Video takes a lot more space. If I wasn't videoing right now, power this down. Uses up a lot of space on our memory card.
We have a memory card that can take like